You have just gone through key concepts of systems and systems thinking, but how can municipalities bring these concepts into action? How can we understand interdependencies, thinking about the whole of system instead of its part, and be more adaptive to respond to changes in the systems in our daily work? Understanding key features of systems can help us to identify different ways of looking at complex challenges. Maybe unemployment problems are not just about the lack of jobs or skills, but also about lack of care services that free up the caretakers from their responsibilities, or about the lack of functioning and affordable public transportation system to enable people to move where the jobs are. And yes, they are all interconnected and contributing to the problem. As we have seen, the complexity and the changing nature of many municipal challenges means we cannot expect to effectively manage them through business as usual management approaches. So applying new ways of managing them has been an underlying principle in the development of the pathways for economic growth and many of other work streams of the Mayors for Economic Growth initiative. Notably, one practical approach that can help to work with the features of complex challenges is taking a portfolio approach. The portfolio approach is an alternative to a more traditional project management, and it has three main building blocks, which embeds the systems thinking into the management practices. First, when starting the process by unpacking the problems, the portfolio approach provides tools to apply system lens into the complex challenges. Not just to look into individual issues, but tools that can help to understand different perspectives and connections between the issues. Second, when moving on, it helps to design and test a variety of solutions that might change a part of the system and then together transform the system towards the goal that was set in the beginning of the process. So not just trying to identify one single point miracle solution, but the portfolio is formed by a collection of interventions which all try to solve the problem from different angles with the same goal in mind. Third, as we have learned, complex challenges are unpredictable and often we need to adapt our interventions as some of the solutions might not work at all. So the portfolio approach provides a dynamic and adaptive management framework and builds these capabilities for the municipalities. As we cannot always predict an outcome of an action based on the linear if-then logic, a portfolio approach allows for emergent behaviors and effects that we can further scale to move the needle of our transformation. Therefore, identifying and pursuing multiple actions and options for change can help municipalities to manage strategic risks. We can see this similar to an investment portfolio, where investments are diversified to provide a greater chance of success. Similarly, when pursuing local development, municipalities can develop a portfolio of actions that aim to deliver local priorities. Under the Mayors for Economic Initiative, we are applying the portfolio approach with local authorities in the Eastern Partnership countries through adaptive and dynamic management, where they experiment different solutions to their complex challenges. The city challenges range from energy transition and other green city transformations into developing vibrant startup ecosystems or cultural tourism centers to diversify economic opportunities for people. All the municipalities have different challenges and a different focus in their municipal transformation portfolios. However, they all apply the same portfolio approach, which apply the principles of understanding the city system and its challenges through systems thinking and through adaptive experimentation, which in long term can induce the desired change in their city system. So do you think the portfolio approach and systems thinking would be useful in your municipality or organization? For which topic would you apply it? Next, you can read about inspiring city cases where they already apply the portfolio approach. Enjoy!